robots, all of these computers, all of this Internet of Things communicate. All we're going to need is people to go out and fix, troubleshoot, figure out, and those are actually good careers. One of the things they mentioned in this thing, do you know how much a drone pilot makes? $52,000 a year without a degree.
I'm here with Brandon from the STEM truck. So tell us what this big thing is just all about.
All right, so we're here today working with Force Dekalb, doing drone instruction. We have several different stations related to all aspects of drone operation. Force Dekalb has lots of resources for folks who are interested in flying drones and using that as a entry path into a career. And Steam Truck is here exploring all those different career paths and what they might mean.
Good morning. I am Ms. Perkett Brown, proud parent and family engagement facilitator for DeKalb County School District, representing Region 6 here at Columbia High School for this amazing opportunity for our students and our families here. They are gaining a wealth of resources thanks to our Force Dekalb and our SDIP here supporting the community. We look forward to extra activities coming here for our students and our families, and thank you for all that came out today.
We are a nonprofit organization working in the community for child well-being. Our whole mission is to ensure that the community, the family, and the children are taken care of. And in this effort, we brought together today WorkSource, DeKalb Family Engagement, the STEAM truck, all together here in one place and aim to help the students and to help the parents in their effort to be successful.
All right, I'm out here with Ms. LaTanya Lowry from the DeKalb WorkSource. So what kind of things do you guys do? Involve yourself with?
Got it. Well, WorkSource DeKalb is a resource for the community. We actually provide funding for employment and training services. We're out here today for our Community Blitz Spark Day, where we're talking to parents, letting them know about employment and training opportunities, as well as showing our students different career pathways in science, technology, engineering, arts, and math. So we're trying to be in the community, making sure you guys are aware of what's available.
And what kind of things can the students gain from coming out and talking to you guys today?
Oh my goodness, they can gain so much. So, for instance, with STEAM, a lot of students don't know that there are careers where you can operate a drone. I know a lot of young men and women like to play video games where they're constantly moving their thumbs, but wouldn't that be great if you learned a trade where you understood how to use those thumbs, put them to work, learn how to film sites, learn how to dust a crop, all from operating a drone. We want to make sure that you guys are aware of just everything that's out there. Yes, we encourage you to become doctors and lawyers, but hey, what if you could become that solder that puts the pipe together that keeps the water flowing through DeKalb County?
All right. Thank you so much.
Not a problem. It's a pleasure.
Nice meeting you.
Okay.